Today we're on site of a major flooding incident that happened as a result of the rainstorms. This is a nursery in the Greater Toronto area where the banks of the river adjacent to the property overflowed and flooded out the entire nursery, all of the retail space and areas along those lines, and really caused havoc.
At any given moment there was 2.5 feet of water throughout this entire facility.
We've got floors buckling, we've got obviously water intrusion on all the drywall.
They had to evacuate the building. We got called in the same day. We came and assessed the damage.
It's our responsibility to be diligent, be effective, and get this business back up and running as quickly as they can.
Really proud to see Steve and his team mobilize to the site. We've probably got 40 or 50 workers here helping us mitigate the damage and get them back. This is a high-end nursery that cares a lot about customer service and a safe environment for their customers. And as we establish ourselves as the premier large loss commercial network in North America, Steve and his team are helping us take a huge step forward in accomplishing that.
On this site, we've got one of our major offices, ServiceMaster Restore and SRM member responding. And as you can see, they respond in great force on major events when they happen along these lines, and they have the ability to respond on scale. Site safety and security being paramount and priority, then the mitigation of the water damages, and then putting into effect a proper scoping and restoration process.
Highly skilled and a tremendous amount of organization and collaboration. And Steve Gregg and his team at ServiceMaster Toronto Vaughan, as one of our SRM businesses here in Canada, have tapped into those resources we have as a North American company to help us deliver large, complex losses like the one I'm standing on here today.
Team's been fantastic. They're willing to work long hours in the middle of a large Southern Ontario catastrophe. Everyone's working together to make the job easier, faster, and great experience for our customer.
Number one goal is to get the customer back here as soon as possible with their business open.
We're there when you need us, and we're going to get you back up and running safely and as smoothly and quickly as possible.
This job is a great example of what we do.
Team Yellow is what it's all about.